You want to help your criminal defense lawyer beat your criminal case? Here are 5 things that you must do in order to help your lawyer beat that case. Number 1, help with the factual investigation. It is my opinion that a great factual investigation, a comprehensive one, where the lawyer will interview the witnesses and will go to see the scene of the crime and will do the work necessary to understand our client's story, not just understand the prosecutor's story. That is what is going to really help for us to help win that case. Because the more that we know, the better. The more that we know that the prosecutor doesn't know, the better. The more that we understand the case from many different perspectives, the better. We are going to be able to do a much better job to argue that case and figure out a great defense strategy. When we do a great investigation, our clients need to help us with that. The second thing that we need from our clients is courage. Sometimes it takes some courage to be able to stand in the face of a prosecutor offering what they think is a good deal and be able to say no. We have to have the courage to deny those offers. We have to be able to say, no, we're going to go to trial. And it's a bit of a risk, right? And sometimes it's a little scary. And so it takes courage. But I have proven over and over again that when you have the courage and when you are standing up for what's right, then we are going to get the best outcome. The third thing that is necessary for a client to help their attorney get the best possible outcome is communicate regularly. It's not enough just to talk once before maybe we go to court. We have to talk multiple times, especially in the beginning. I want them to come into the office. I want to have multiple communications with them and their families and anybody else who may be involved in the case. That is what is going to help get the best possible outcome. Number 4, the fourth best thing that a criminal defendant can do to help their lawyer get the best outcome in court is be presentable when we go to court. It is the easiest thing to do, but for some reason, not a lot of people do it. We tell our clients all the time how to be presentable. It's very important. You think that people aren't going to recognize that you have jeans on when you come to court? They absolutely will. You think a judge is going to give you respect when he shows you that when you show that you have a tie on and a suit? They absolutely will. When the prosecuting attorney sees that you're presentable, that you're respectable, that you are somebody who's going to take this seriously, they are going to take your case seriously, and they are going to say, you know what, that's a guy who looks like maybe he should get a break or he should get a good deal. It means something. Be presentable in court. The fifth and probably the most important thing that a criminal defendant can do, one of my clients can do for me to help me get them the best possible outcome, is to develop a trusting relationship between me and my client. It is absolutely necessary. I have to develop a relationship where my client trusts me and I trust my client. I know that my clients will trust me when they know that I am willing to do everything necessary in order to get them the best possible outcome. That is my goal. I need them to understand that as early on as possible. And when they do, that is when we can figure out the path towards achieving the justice that we're looking for together.